Then I will explain the movie Working in Taxi. Movie's name, Wonder. The plot. Beginning. August Augie Pullman is a 30-year-old boy who lives in North River Heights. In Upper Manhattan. You have a rare medical condition deformity called Tischer-Collins syndrome. Due to numbers 27 your days Augie that had been homeschooled has mother Elizabeth, but as Augie approaches middle schoolish, Elizabeth and Nate decide to enroll him in Bishop Prep, a private high school. By the start of the high school, at first a boy named Julian Alben messes with him, but he soon befriends a boy named Jack Will. During a Halloween, Augie wears a mask and a ghost costume because her dog Daisy vomited up her boa fit costume. Without being recognized, he walked around the school and knowing that there would not be tormented in costume. As he walked to the door, Augie to his classroom, he reads Julian asking Jack why he hands went him so much. Jack says he does it because Traceronians, school principal, told him to. Filk Betrug, Augie wants to live in Beecher's preps and go back to homeschooling, but his older sister Olivia convinces him not to. Later, Augie tells another friend why she was angry with Jack Will. A girl named Summer asked her to quiet when Jack realizes that Augie has become distant with him. He asked Summer why, but she only told him the ghost as clue. Jack is shocked when he suddenly realizes it was Augie wearing the ghost costume and that he had heard everything he said to Julian in South class. The teacher says that they have to do a work in person and that the parent next to them will be their partner. And Julian told the teacher that he, another boy and Jack have an idea, but Jack says, no, that's fine. I'm staying with Augie. When Julian calls Augie a monster, Jack punches him um, in the face, and a fight ensues between the two, which is soon dissolved by middle ground and Mr. Petosa. Jack apologizes to Augie, and Augie agrees that in the rest of the school year Augie is repeatedly bullied by Julian Gins's group. They live her fall note on her desk and tape her class photographs. Mm, White Augie censored to her locker when Mr. Transeronian later confronts Julian and his parents using of the notes Julian left for Augie. Despite threats for the parents to withdraw their child from the school, Transeronian suspend a Julian. Had his parents then that Julian would not return to school in the fall year, however, before leaving, Julian apologized to Transeronian for hazarding Augie. Meanwhile, Via enrolls in the drum club at the high school after the best friends Miranda ignores her. In the process they meet, using a friendly boy with whom she forms a close friendship, who later develops into a romantic relationships. Mm, Lady Via is uh, Lady Via is Justin Anderlin actor, uh, and 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 during school trip to nature reserve when a group of seven, whether from another school, Heidasogi, Jack, and several of his companions come to his defense at the end of year during the graduations ceremony. Uh, Transeronian announces that Augie has been chosen as the Henry Ward Beecher Mendel Werner from the student who had strength is a ruse. The most heard. Augie is applauded by everyone present, especially her friend Hagwil, Summer her teacher and family, and dance. Eggy says, always be nice because we all have our own battle. Uh, what is to learn about the movie? I learned that we human beings must pour ourselves ourselves in the other place and not judge our appearance. Um, I also learned that we must teach ourselves to love our difference by being kind to our others. It is important to understand most of the time we judge people by the appearance without stop to drink about the consequences of ridicule ridicule and corners. How did the film make you feel? The movie makes my say to see what Augie has to to draw. I was also very happy and to see that the kite begins the wheel. He is walking. He is an astronaut that everyone admires and always look forward to. And has thus the movie related to the academic uh, program starting. It is a film that shows the rejecting of people, their disabilities and industrial engineer relate to many people in few words. We are always um, surrounded by a lot of stuff, and we must accept their difference or disabilities. And that is the sense of human being. It is important to emphasize that we are all different, and it is precisely this different that of up. Um, Another ending for the movie could be another alternative ending would be that Ogi fulfilled the deal ongoing to Spain and that over the year he can be as astronaut. Thank you.